Hello everyone, welcome to Roll Like a Casita. My name is Aaron, and today's 2 Minute Tuesday. We're going to be installing an Oxygenics shower head. It's a great way to save water. If you live full-time, boondocking, mooch docking, whatever you're doing, this is a great way to save water, so let's get started.
Okay, starting out, when you order the shower head, it does include mounting hardware to replace your existing shower mount. In this installation, we will be using our existing shower head mount. This is the current shower head that we have been using. As you can see, it's very difficult to clean the shower head and the water hose. We're replacing the shower head to save water when boondocking and because it's very common to have water shooting out sideways no matter how often we clean it. For this project, you only need plumber's tape, a dish rag, and channel lock pliers. Begin by using something soft to ensure your pliers do not lose grip and to protect the shower wall. Loosen the old hose completely and ensure the old O-ring is removed. Use the plumber's tape to add an extra layer around the male end. This helps decrease the possibility of water leaking between these two connections. This is what it should look like. Notice all threads are covered. Ensure your new hose has an O-ring in place. Attach a new hose to the male end, ensuring not to cross-thread the connections. Tighten it completely using your channel lock pliers. Now remove the old shower head and replace with a new and improved. Now let's turn it on and see how it works. In the next video, we will give our honest review of this Oxygenics shower head and tell you if it's worth the money. If this video helped you at all, please subscribe to enjoy more 2-Minute Tuesdays where we share short tips and tricks. Turn on the bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.